Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are talking about leadership. Leadership is a word which carries a lot of other keywords. Leadership means leading. You lead. You lead with an example. So, what are the words which come in your mind when you see the word leader or leadership? So, they say that the greatest leader is not necessarily the one who does great things, but who manages to get things in a great way. A good leader is a good mentor, a good guide, a good motivator. They become great by their work, by their thoughts, their vision, their support. So leaders become great not because of their power, but because of their ability to empower others. So think about it. Do you have the capabilities, or are you capable of being a good leader? So let us see, understand the word leadership. And then we'll talk about accountability, leadership accountability. So a leader has to be responsible, has to motivate others. A leader has to motivate, to inspire, must have ethical values, must show the direction in the right way, the right path. Yes, with example. So let us see today what we're going to talk about is when you think about leadership, some words come in your mind automatically. Being responsible. A leader must be responsible. A leader must show that yes, he is capable of taking responsibility. Now, as in the class I was talking about, write down some words, the words which come in your mind when you think of the word leadership. What comes in your mind? Responsibility. So today we are going to talk about responsibility, motivation, and mentorship. The first part of the video will, the 3 points will be taken up: responsibility, motivation, and mentorship. Think about it. Are you responsible? Can you inspire others in any way? Or can you mentor? Can you guide? Can you support? Can you help out? If not, start trying. So when you think about taking responsibilities, how much have you taken in the past? How much things were you responsible for in school? Can you mentor? Have you ever mentored anybody? And have you motivated anybody? Just anyone. So today the agenda is responsibility, mentorship, and motivation. What actually is responsibility? We all know. Taking the initiative, taking the lead. The responsibility is something you are expected to do. So I am responsible for taking your class on time. A responsibility might be a task you are expected to do. You are expected to come to class on time. You are expected to do your assignments. We expect you to finish your work on time. So it's your responsibility to do as told, to do it to the best of your ability. Now, what happens is some people are capable, some people are not. So, a responsibility is something you are expected to do. Okay. And being responsible is doing the things you are supposed to do. And accepting responsibility is taking the praise or the blame for something you have done. Now, this is the most difficult part of being responsible or taking the responsibility, to take the blame or to the own. You have to own what things you have done, whether it is good or bad. The praise is yours. The blame also, you should take it on your side. Now, let us talk about mentorship. Mentoring is supporting. When you mentor someone, you support. You set goals for them. You set guidelines for them. You train them in such a way so that things turn out to your expectation. You need to continuously advise them, not when things are right, but also when things are going wrong or right, their advice should be there. There's a proverb: success has many fathers, failures none. So if something good happens, we all take the responsibility. We all feel that, yes, I was responsible for that. But on the other hand, when something goes wrong, you feel that, no, I've not done it, and the blame game is there. So you must take the responsibility. When you are mentoring, yes, the things will fall on your side, the way you want to, the way you have to do it, and the way you want things to be done. And of course, mentoring means motivating people. You are motivating them by giving positive feedback. You are motivating them by a little reward, a kind word, appreciation. But it is, the feedback is like a bitter pill. You have to swallow first. When you say something, when you are about to give a wrong message, message which might hurt someone, just cover it up with a lot of kind words. Like, yes, the presentation was okay, good, but then it could have been much better if a little more effort, and yes, you have done it. So the kind words are always there with you. The kind words will follow your suggestions, your feedback, and each feedback should be in a very positive direction. So no harsh words, but then yes, a word can go a long way. And then, of course, you are sure to be on the success side. Like mentoring, a mentor should support, should fix a goal, should train, should advise, should motivate, and everything put together will lead to success and whatever you have in your mind. So being a mentor is difficult because you give out so much of yourself. Interpersonal communication comes in when you feel, when you believe, when you respect the team members. Then you're going to gain trust. And once a mentor, if he or she loses the trust, then success flies out the window. So you have to see to it that you are on the right track. And after mentoring, so you will see that, yes, things went right. And analyze yourself, analyze others' behavior, analyze your team members, their abilities, their capabilities, their drawbacks. So providing members with valuable feedback can work wonders. And mentors are also a valuable source of inspiration and motivation if done at the right time and the right way. So here you are there to lead, to show, to believe, and and you have to have that trust in your team members that yes, they can do it. If you can think, they can do it, they are going to do it because you're the main person. Then we come to motivation. A leader should be responsible, should be a mentor, and should motivate. Some points of motivation, like a leader should always be available. If your team members keep an open relationship, maintain a harmony, and be available when you are needed, be there with them. Let them know their opinion matters. In a group discussion, an open discussion, ask a lot of questions, take their feedback, listen to what they have to say, and yes, being an active listener plays a major role in motivation. You have to listen to what people have to say. So let them know that yes, their opinion matters. It matters a great deal. Let them speak out. Let them make decisions on the job. Do not spoon feed your team members. Show the way, let them walk, but watch, keep an eye on them to see that they are on the right track. So set the example, be the example they need. Show the leader leads with an example. And last but not the least, reward matters. Appreciation. Reward doesn't mean you have to give it in cash or whatever. No. Rewards work wonders when they are appreciated. Appreciation is the greatest reward. Yes, even a smile matters. Yes, you've done well. Good. Sometimes a little bit of, if you're not appreciated, a little bit of setback. You have worked hard, round the clock you have worked, but there's no appreciation. Then there's a sour feeling. Things would have been better if there was a little appreciation. Rewards matter a great deal. You got the prize right. Okay, even a smile can be the greatest of all rewards. So today we discussed leadership, and under the heading, we talked about responsibility, we talked about mentorship, and we talked about motivation. In the next class, we'll take up some new keywords and see under the heading what's there in store for you. So keep watching, keep working, and try to write short notes on these words. Analyze yourself, do the analysis, see yourself, weigh yourself where you stand. The 3 points were responsibility. Have you taken responsibility of any kind at any point of time? Have you mentored anyone? Number 2. And have people walked up to you for advice, for motivation? Have you motivated anybody? Have you inspired anybody? Let me know. And write short notes on responsibility, mentorship, and motivation. That's all for today. You keep watching and take care.